Welcome to this short video on one application of using a linear equation to solve a problem. I recommend pausing the video and reading the question here. So, in order to solve this equation, let's try to solve this problem. Let's try to build an equation that will help us solve it. If we're using 31 meters of fence to build this enclosure, then it must be true that all of the sides add up to 31. So let's analyze the sides that aren't listed. This side would also have to be 7 meters. And this side here would be W meters. We don't know what W is, but it would have to be the same as the bottom. And since we have an equilateral triangle at the top of this figure, then these sides would have to be W as well, whatever that may be. And now that I've labeled all the sides, I can make an equation using the fact that all the sides must add up to 31, since we're using 31 meters of fence. This equation shows all of the sides adding up to 31. And once we've set up an equation, we can use our algebra skills to solve it. So here I combined like terms. Then I decided to subtract 14 from both sides to further isolate the W. And then I divided both sides by 4. Now this is an acceptable answer for the width, and generally in algebra classes we prefer improper fractions. However, I believe that since we're answering in meters, and I've never heard anyone say 17/4 of a meter, it would be better to put this in a decimal and break with our algebra tradition, because 4.25 meters sounds a lot more reasonable than 17/4 meters. And so we've discovered that the width of this figure is 4.25. That completes this short video.